Okay, we're finishing up Chapter 8, Part C in the Getting to Know ArcGIS for Desktop textbook. We're on page 284, and we've just done number 19. We've closed the Layer Properties dialog box. Now we're going to go on to number 20. And we want to activate the All Crime data frame, which is this one. So right-click on it and choose Activate. And open the Properties of the data frame's counties layer. So double-click on that to open up its properties. And go to the Symbology tab, and under Show, click Charts. And this time we're going to choose Pie Chart, and in the Field List selection we're going to click Agra SLT02. You can double click on it instead of clicking the arrow. Continue to add the following attributes: Arson 02, Rape 02, MV Theft 02, Murder MURD 02, Robbery 02, Berg 02, and Larceny 02. And then right-click the Color Scheme ramp, which is right here, and click the Graphic View to turn off that view, and then click the Color Scheme arrow, and we're going to do Enamel. And now we're on the top of page 285. So it should look something like the bottom of page 284, but it looks like the colors are randomly assigned because our colors don't match up. But that happens a lot using ArcMap. So now we're on 22 on page 285. Click the Exclusion button to open the Data Exclusion Properties dialog box. Click the Query tab. So what are we going to exclude here? And click on the Query tab. And we want population. This is the same thing we had before. Is less than, and we type in 500,000. I don't think it likes if you put commas in the numbers here. So we're creating something called an SQL query, and generally commas don't work and stuff like that. So click the Legends tab, and select the Show Symbol for Excluded Data checkbox right there, and click the symbol color chip to open the symbol selector, and click the Fill Color chip, and right here, Fill Color, and then click on, and we want gray 20%, and click on OK. And in the label box, type population less than 500,000, and you put a comma in there because this is just a label, and click on OK. And now we're going to click the Size button here, and on the pie chart dialog box, pie chart size dialog box rather, click the Vary Size using the sum of the field values. Vary size using the sum of the field value. And adjust the symbol size to 20. Right now it's on 12, so we'll make it 20. And select the Appearance Compensation, and then click OK. And now let's go to the top of page 286. Number 26 there says click OK to accept your settings. And we end up with something that looks like this, showing us pie chart for all of the cities that are 500,000, or I'm sorry, counties that are 500,000 population or more. So on the menu bar, choose View and then Layout View. And we're going to get something that looks like the map on page 287. And it says click a data frame to activate it. Click the Bookmarks menu and then use the bookmark provided for each data frame. So here's a data frame, bookmarks, and it says use the bookmark provided for each data frame. I'm not sure what they're asking you to do here. I'm going to create a bookmark. I'm going to call this aggravated salt and click on OK. I'm going to select this one, get the handles around it, and bookmark, create a bookmark. And oops, let's cancel that. So that is upper. Let me click on this one, and bookmarks, that is lower, and this one is probably what I changed it to, aggravated assault. And if I click on main, it will take me to that as well. So it has, now I understand what they're asking for. It creates bookmarks for each element that it puts on here when you do multiple maps on the same layout. And let's go ahead and do a save as on this so we don't write over our original data. Let's just put it in my data and click example 08C. No need to change name. Click on save. And that brings us to the end of chapter 8.